Hello everyone, this is another video in the website development series, and today we'll be diving into the topic that's crucial for every developer, especially here in Africa where internet speed can be, well, let's just say challenging. We are talking about how to speed up your website without spending a dime. So whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced developer, stick around. I've got some awesome tips just for you. Why does website speed matter? Before we jump into the tips, let's quickly talk about why website speed is so important. Do you know that a 1 second delay in a page load time can result in a 7% loss in conversions? That's even more critical here in Africa, where users operate on a slower device and slower network. A slow website can mean lost visitors, poor engagement, and poor search engine rankings. But don't worry, improving your website speed doesn't have to cost you a dime. Let's dive into the free strategies. Number one, optimize your images. Images are one of the largest files on the website and can greatly slow down your website speed. Here's what you can do to decrease your image sizes. Number one, you can convert your images to WebP with free tools like freeconvert.com. WebP gives you a smaller image size for the same quality as PNG and JPG. That means for a PNG and a JPG image, you can convert them to WebP and still get the same amount of quality. Then always use width and height attributes to your HTML files, to your HTML code to prevent layout shift. Number two, leverage browser caching. This means telling your browser to store some files locally so that they don't have to be downloaded every time a user visits your website. This simple tweak can drastically reduce load speed times for returning visitors, even on a slower device. Number three, minify your CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Now, let's talk about minification. Minifying your CSS, JavaScript, and HTML means removing unnecessary spaces, commas, line breaks, and even comments, etc., that makes your files larger than they need to be. You can use tools like minifycode.com or CSS Nano to minify your code. Just copy, paste, and boom, your code is lighter and faster. Also consider bundling your CSS and JavaScript files. Fewer files, fewer files means fewer requests to the servers, which speed things up on your website. Number four, use a content delivery network, CDN. Another way to increase your website speed is by using a CDN or a content delivery network. A CDN stores copies of your website files in multiple locations worldwide, reducing the distance between your users and your website. And the farther your users to your servers, the more it will take for the website to load. You can check out free CDN options like Cloudflare or GS Deliver for hosting your website assets like images and JavaScript files. These services can cut down on website load speed times, especially for users who are far from your servers, who are far from your server locations. Number five, reduce HTTP requests. Every time someone visits your website, their browser makes a lot of requests to your servers to load all the elements on your website. The more requests made, the slower your website becomes. Use developer tools to analyze which resources are being requested and look for opportunities to combine files or remove unnecessary ones storing down your website. You can use tools like GitMetrix or Page Speed Insight to see which files are slowing down your website. Number six, optimize font. Font are another sneaky culprit that can slow down your website. I know you might be like, font? How can font slow down my website? Yes, font can slow down your website speed, and here's how to fix them. Only use font weights and styles that you need. The more weight you include, the larger the file size. Consider using system fonts or self-hosting your fonts to reduce reliance on third-party servers. And there you have it. 6 ways to speed up your website without spending a single cent. I hope these tips helps you to create blazing fast websites that users will love, even on a slower device. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more developer tips, and share with your friends. Let's make the web faster together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.